Leonardo Helicopters is a global high-tech company and one of the key players in aerospace, defense, and security. Launched in 1948, Leonardo has created many unique types of helicopters ranging from commercial helicopters to the tilt-rotator prototype. Why should students get a job in manufacturing?
Students should get a job in manufacturing, one, because it's an excellent, exciting, and technologically driven field. It's one of the fields that's cutting edge, it's interesting, it's never the same, and it's important. Manufacturing matters. It supports jobs, but it also supports livelihoods. So it could be the food we eat, it could be the medicine that we take, it could be the vehicles that we use. Everything that we use in our daily life comes from manufacturing.
What is your specific job? What do you actually do in your job?
I am a senior manufacturing engineer, and what I do in my job, I work for the test and assembly group here in the manufacturing engineering department. And what I do is I make the work instructions to actually build the aircraft. So an example of that would be, if you look at these aircraft here, there's all of these cables and all of these structural components that are inside of it. So we make the work instructions to tell the technicians how to actually put those things in the aircraft and where to put them and things like that.
What I've always found interesting and why I went into this career was I was a person who asked why things worked, how things worked, what made a difference in how they worked, and so that drove me to going to school for manufacturing engineering. And what I found over the years is that in manufacturing there's always a chance to see the product that you're building, so it's always nice to see the culmination of the work that's being done and we actually deliver something that's meaningful to people. And the other piece is that there's a diversity of skills that it takes within the manufacturing world, and so I find that all of that creates human interaction that is a good thing to be around.
Thank you for watching. We all hope you learned a thing or two about manufacturing. A special thanks to Leonardo Helicopters for letting us interview their employees.